Hey YouTubers, Mike Martins here with the Mike Martins channel. Guys, thanks for joining the channel, being part of the channel. Open discussion, discussing. Thanks for your comments below. Very valuable information a lot of people have to share with us.
Gold hits 4-week high as Fed's Powell eases stimulus concerns. Gold climbed a 4-week high as inflation concerns boosted demand for the metal as a store of value, while Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reassured investors on the outlook of stimulus, copper, and most of other base metals. Powell said on Wednesday in congressional testimony that the recovery hasn't progressed enough to begin pairing the central bank's monthly asset purchases at the House hearing. Powell reiterated that the Fed stands ready to act should inflation expectations rise meaningfully. Data released on Tuesday show prices paid by U.S. consumers surged in June by the most since 2008. So there it is. Inflationary wise, yeah, we're looking at 2008 levels. People are paying a lot for gas. Gold has been on the mend after its worst month since 2016 in June, when it was hurt by signals that the Fed could increase interest rates sooner than expected to counter inflation. Stimulus by central banks and governments since the pandemic helped bullion reach a record high in 2020. But vaccine, right there, rollouts are reopening economies and have eroded demand for the metal as a haven. So they're pushing people away from gold. See, here it is. They're trying to dissuade people for investing in gold, and you know, when they do that, that means gold is where to go. You always have to find these little hints and these little secrets. The way they talk to you, they're telling you what's going on.
The Mexican government,
they're telling you what's going on in this thing. Okay, they're telling you. You just gotta pick it apart. This means buy gold. This is what it means. Don't take any financial advice from me. I did buy 2 gold stocks this morning that I believe they may go up. Right? Remember, guys, when you're playing the stock market, it's like gambling. You're making a prediction, right? If you buy a stock in some gold company, remember, think of it like you're making a prediction is what you're doing. You're predicting that something is going to be more valuable. You're predicting that something is going to work in favor of what trend you're following or what is happening geopolitically in the world, right? In my opinion, gold should be $7,000-8,000 an ounce. Gold should be $350-400 an ounce, hands down. No questions asked, no debate. But unfortunately, there's just too much market manipulation happening, and that's why. So there it is. Gold is starting to shine. All right, let's head out to housing in Canada. This is kind of important, guys, before we get into the rest of the world there. Jay Pastor says Canada sold all its gold. We got to get Jay Pastor on the show here on Skype. If he wants to add me on Skype, Mike Martins 1980. Mike Martins 1980 on Skype. I want to get Jay Pastor on. I want to get Johnny Boy Silver on the show. Mitch Madden would be nice to have on the show too. I want to get Mitch. Maybe I'll call him later. He's asking about could the United States go to South Africa, right? The thing is, the question you need to ask: what's in it for America in South Africa? I mean, could they go bring freedom and then create some sort of, I guess, a couple of bases out there in return for bringing freedom? Get a stronger foothold in the African continent? I don't know. Again, if we're playing chess, the world game of chess, America should go to South Africa. I'm not saying I mean to bring peace, okay, but then in return, create a little bit of a foothold, because China is I think the Chinese Communist Party is destroying the world, and they've been doing it for about 2 decades now, and it's been very prevalent in the last 2 years now, right? They created a man-made virus. The virus got released to the public. They had all, I'm not going to get into that, but you guys understand what I'm saying here, right? Thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you guys want to support the transmission, don't send me money. Don't buy me coffee. Buy a board game. Or come down and visit me in person here at 1925 Quilchena Avenue in downtown Merritt.